praise to the Lord above me. I gotta give him all the praise. Because without him,
one thing
I wouldn't be here.
Without in the markets, one thing I hate in the markets is getting stop hunted, bro. And that is like the worst thing ever, bro. Like as far as like the markets are concerned. But anyways, man, welcome to another video. Welcome to another day. If you are watching for the first time, make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure that you comment new trader. Just comment new trader, or just comment we're gonna make it. And we are gonna be consistent so that you can put it into life, man. That we are all going to make it, not just me. Like me, I'm gonna make it regardless. So as far as trading is concerned, I'm gonna make it regardless. So
it's working out pretty good. Listen, man, you know I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna eat regardless. That don't mean nothing.
So yeah. Anyways, man, today's video is about like something that I hate, bro. This week's update is like about something that I hate absolutely with a passion. I got stop hunted on USDCAD, and mind you, I don't really trade USDCAD. Well, now I do, but I just added it this week. So for me to get like stopped out, I kind of don't like USDCAD already. So but I'll see. But one thing that I do want to note is that I handle myself way better than I usually do. If you watch my like past videos, you know, like I'm usually a crash out sometimes. I tend to crash out. Like I dig holes when I go through things like that. So anyways, man, just make sure that you tune in, and the next clip I'm just gonna explain the whole thing, the whole entire trade. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we are on the charts right now. What we are looking at is that losing trade that I took yesterday. I probably explained the logic behind this already, and you saw that clip. So let me just show you what it looked like on the daily. Now this is actually a weekly move. I'm still backtesting over here, so don't worry about that. I still have to backtest all of this whole entire data right here. So what I could see right there is that we had that. Let me get my arrow. That BOS right there, and then it left a fair value gap, which shows me that it's probably gonna hold this price. Which was mistake number one that I didn't see. Why am I selling it? Because it's already at a weekly supply. That's mistake number one that I feel like I made. And then what made me actually look at the trade and made me look past that mistake was the fact that when I refined that weekly level, it refines to a roundabout here and it hasn't reached there. So my idea is that it's gonna get there, but on the daily we were still like under like bearish because we broke the structure right there. But I didn't on the market. Now let's go down to the I feel like that always happens in my breaking down the 4 hours. So this is actually why I entered the trade. But let me actually explain it on the 1 hour so that it can be easier. So you see this BOS right there, and then it left a fair value gap, which showed me that this structure is most likely to hold. So my thing was that it's gonna hold this supply level. So I just put my stop loss around here. Oh no, it's right there actually. That's exactly where I put my stop loss, above these highs, because I didn't think it was gonna come back there. So what the price do? And then also it had liquidity, because look, like it created this kind of like fake breakout structure right there and there again, but it was messy. So I usually like these type of trades and they usually work out for me. So actually this is not a bad trade. I think the only thing that I don't like about this trade is that I didn't trade with the direction. That is the only thing that I really don't like about this trade. I should have stayed with the direction, but it's one of those things where you have to risk money to make money. So